Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to merge PDF files with TinyWow. So guys, first thing is go for tinywow.com and this will be their homepage. And now here on the homepage, just simply scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see here all tools. So from here at the second row middle, go for merge PDF and you could merge two or more PDF files into a one single PDF file. And now you could just simply upload from PC or mobile, or you could just simply drag the files over here. So I have two files over here that I want to merge. So this is just for an example, guys. And I'm gonna drag it over here and it will upload the two files and you should be able to see the preview of each file. And now you could just simply select merge over here and it will process. And after that, you should be able to use their feature and you will have a single file and you should be able to download it. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.